What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to another video with me and Ashley. We're gonna be putting on the clear blinkers, the Euro Spec type blinkers, and the clear side markers. So let's go get right into it. So these are what they used to look like. We have the yellow, obviously. These are the new ones. Look at the difference. To take these out, you have 2 bolts inside, which we already did. I wanted to do this tomorrow, but I have a really hard head. So here we are, we're doing this now, whatever. So anyway, you have 2 bolts. Now, it's gonna be hard to show you 2 bolts. Show them, baby, bring them in. For the people that are doing this isn't the best how-to because this freaking box, the air box, is in the way. You have one in here, way deep in there, and then you have one, and then you have that one right there. See if we can get close. So you have 2 bolts, and this is exactly what they look like right here. Anyway, so we already got it out. So anyway, once after you get them off, you're gonna go ahead and find where to put your hands. Basically push it from the inside out. Let me see if I can get in there. Yeah, just push it from the inside out. It's gonna be a little tough.
Yeah, I have to wiggle it around.
There you go, it's coming out. The headlight is gonna come out a little bit too. You can just go ahead and push that back in. They share the same bracket, that's what it is. At least one of them. There you go. So that's out. It's gonna push the headlight back in. Now to disconnect the housing from it. So now that we have it out completely, you're gonna wanna, basically you just take off the whole housing. So there's the bulb, and here's the old blinker. Voila! Alright, check this out. Not spoiled, just earned it. There's a difference. But thank you, baby. As she got me this for Christmas.
You're welcome.
Wait, let's show them the side markers real quick.
Okay.
Shit! This is the other blinker right here. Little sneak peek. Then we have the side markers. Shit! Alright, so anyway, so we're gonna grab the correct blinker now. Take it out of its brand new packaging. So this is the right blinker. Let's go and put it on. So the easiest way to put it on, at least to me, is you go ahead and screw this on. Actually, you don't even have to screw it on, you actually clip it on. So you clip that on, right? That's not going anywhere. Now we're gonna go ahead and slip and slide right in. So now we have it in, guys. Tell me, 1 out of 10, what do you guys think, honestly?
Now we just need this new, everything new.
So Ashley's gonna do it herself because she got it. She got it. So we're gonna skip this part because this gets really boring. I'll show you guys what's up. All right, so now that we have the blinker in, I wanna show you guys the difference. It's missing the amber light bulb, so it literally just looks like a headlight. So this is the original one, and this is the new one. As you can tell, complete different colors. So for the light bulb, I do have to get an amber light bulb because I don't even think that's legal to be. But anyway, yeah, you see a big difference. All right, so for this one right here, which is the driver's side, this one was taped, didn't even have any screws, so we're just gonna go ahead and pop it out. Need help from me. Yeah, see? Literally just comes out. No bueno. Now she's gonna be getting the light bulb, I think, right? You guys need a girl like this because this is incredible right here. Just gonna clip it right on just like the other one. This one is also missing a clip, right, Viv? Mm-hmm. So she's just gonna clip one side and pray that the other side
just is broken.
Oh, it's actually the clip. Okay, I thought it was, okay. Yeah, so we need a new housing and not doing that. Well, there you go. Both of them are in. Wow, that looks really good. Now let's go ahead and get this. No, the other one. I lost the housing, so we're just gonna put in one side marker for tonight. We're gonna put on this side marker. Let's get right to it.
Ryan says he knows what he's doing, so let's see. What?
Just for video purposes. So anyway, so you're gonna grab the old housing of your old ones. I don't think I have the old side marker, but it needs a housing. It doesn't come with it. It does come with the bulbs though. See the difference? These are amber bulbs. These are still clear light bulb. Now we're gonna find the one that fits this one. This is the fog light one. Mine is blue. This is the fog light. This is the side marker. So we're gonna push it through. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna boom, make sure it fits. Put it all the way down. Boom. Now we're gonna grab the side marker and squiggle it on a little bit. Oh, that's backwards, right? That's good now, right? Boom, fits, twist, so it doesn't come out. Now, you're going to want to put the front side first, not this side with this big old thing, right, baby? Mm-hmm. Not that first. You're gonna put this side first, push it in, make sure it buckles within itself, push. Voila, baby! Now, we're gonna turn on the lights and see if they work. So let's go and turn on the lights. Wow! Wow, that looks really good. But here you can tell the literal difference between them two. So this one is obviously the amber side marker was the clear, but the amber light bulb, and then look at the blinker. Look at the color difference. That is so bad. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the amber light bulb. But anyway, what do we think? That's what I want to show you guys tonight. Tomorrow morning you guys are gonna come with me to buy the amber light here, and I will order the housing tonight. It should be here by, today's Monday, so you should be seeing this light put on the left driver's side, put on by Wednesday. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning everyone, we're back. So now we got the amber light bulbs for the blinker. Show them what we've done to the blinker. We've completely taken it out, but now we're gonna put the amber light bulbs. I'm gonna get this cracked open. Once I open it, I cannot return it, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the light bulb in and twist. And let's go see if it works. I wanna back up just in case it works. Is it on? It works? Okay. So now we're gonna grab the blinker. I'm gonna put that right up in there. Oh yeah, mine only has one clip, so yeah. And yeah, just gonna squeeze it right in because this one doesn't have any bolts. So boom, let's go see how it looks now again with the actual lens on. Look better? Like for real?
It's orange now.
Oh hell yeah! So now finally again we have an amber. Now the car's drivable. Now that's legal. All right. You're gonna want to open the hood, like how I informed you guys yesterday. Go ahead and put it. Okay. So this one, I'm not even gonna take the whole like housing out. I'm just gonna try to get fancy with it. So you're gonna want to find the clip to where the bulb is at. Make sure it's the right one. And voila, there's the bulb. You're gonna want to grab this. Did you twist? You twisted it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Grab this. What you do with this, you just throw it out. Can you see it? So now, same thing. Grab your light bulb. Your new one, not the one that you just slung away. Put it in like that, like so. Oh, okay, that doesn't seem safe. Try again. Maybe it goes the other way. Yes. Twist. Before you put it in, and you waste time, let's go see if it works.
Yep.
Alright guys, so that is the end of today's video. Just wanted to show you guys what it's like to put them on, and maybe like kind of a how-to be honest. But guys, honestly, look at the difference. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Right here with the side markers. Oh man. Go ahead and let me know in the comments if you guys think the clears are better or the old yellow ones. I personally like the clears so much, especially with the markers. I don't know, it just looks too aggressive. It looks so good. So what's next for the Beamer? So this is where the fog light goes. So obviously I gotta get a fog light. I just bought the tow hook covers for both sides, and then after that I'm gonna go ahead and get the fog lights. Then after the fog lights, I'm most likely going to get the rear lights, the Euro style lights. These are still yellow. So that's what's next, and then after that, most likely a paint job. You know, fix all this rust I got going on right here, there, all this rust. This Sunday, you're gonna be watching this today. Actually, I'm dropping this video today, which is Thursday. This Sunday, we have Cars and Coffee in Palm Beach. We have so many people going. Not this baby right here. She's gonna get a break. But we are taking the E34 this Sunday. So yeah, Cars and Coffee is gonna be a movie. I have a whole bunch of BMW friends going, and yeah, that'll be my next video. Hope you guys are excited as I am for it. It's gonna be a banger, honestly. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and much love.